Hello everyone, this is Eunalia and welcome to my vlogs. Hopefully time will go by fast.
Come here.
Oh. Hey everyone, this is Eunalia. And I am home for a moment because I'm going to be going to work soon. I work at 9:30, so I need to leave here at 9:10. I need to get some things in order. And my little poopies are whining and crying this morning, but I'm not about to let them out because you can't, because I'm going to leave. And it's going to be very hard getting back in. I was hoping that we had some plastic bags, but we don't. My mom wants me to clean up the office and stuff, but anyways, guys, I have a new job. I think I told you about this. It's actually worked out. I am indeed a cashier at Publix. Yesterday was my first day to be trained as a cashier. There's a lot that goes into it. So I just now woke up and I'm trying to get my head on straight to think. And well, it's pretty cool. I like it. I like it enough. Because everyone helped me out and stuff at work. Crap. And I loved it. So the only problems I had was with WIC, and it's pretty confusing. I'll give you that. It is confusing. And I think we put this stuff in here. Anyways, WIC is confusing, as it is for everyone else. It's kind of stupid, to be honest, because, I mean, if people are going to be paying for stuff anyways, why have to get it free? Oh, shoot. Ah, papers, no! Why? Papers, why? Ew. Okay. Alright. I'm trying to cut down on all the stuff that I have to carry downstairs. Well, so much for that. So I got so many things to carry. I made a few mistakes, but that's first day on the job coming. And I'm not too worried, but I'm going to have to be... Hi, Pops. I'm probably going to be reprimanded about it. But they don't really have to because I already know. Hey, hello, hello. So yesterday my mom was taking the dogs out for a walk and she almost got the dogs killed. There is a dog that I know we've seen that has an underground electric fence, and the elderly couple. Come here, Potch Potch. Come here, Potch Potch. Come here, Potch Potch. Oh, my little pretty boy. You pretty boy. What's up, pretty boy? Who's that pretty boy? Mwah. Huh? Oh. Don't lick my toes. Don't lick my toes. They are nice and cold. They don't need to be licked. So the elderly couple said that they had just put new batteries in the underground fence. And this dog just burst right through it. Like it wasn't even on. And the big dog just attacked Pacha. Pacha got rolled over and scared him half to death. And the old woman came running out like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. And she grabbed the dog and she's like, did he hurt them? Did he hurt them? And my mom's like, no, they're okay, just scared. And so she got the dog back inside and they're going to check that fence. And Mom checked them over and to see if they were okay, and they're okay. They're not bleeding or anything. Pacha's not much of a fighter. He's not the fighting type. He's a loving type. He's a loving type. Yes, he is. Come here, you. Come here. Come here. I'm going to force you to go. Mwah, 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 mwah. 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 I love my little floofy. You're on my cord. Thank you. See, he can't fight. He's not a good fighter. He's a lover. You're a lover, not a fighter. So he got rolled over on his back and about got his body ripped apart by this other dog. And Lou's like, you're messing with my brother. Rawr! And he leapt into the fray and attacked the big dog to get Pacha safe. And of course, Mom was like, no, Lou, no. Oh. He's the warrior. He's a warrior. So, you know, camaraderie. That's what it is. Camaraderie. Yeah. All around. Oh, you are such a heroic little chihuahua. Heroic little chihuahua. He thinks he's a big dog. Yes, you do. You think you're a big dog. But you really got nothing on those teeth. You got nothing on those teeth. I'm not going in there. Anyways, I'm going to have to get ready here in a minute. But anyways, the Women's, Infants, and Children's Program, WIC program is what it's called. Apparently there's 2 stages of it. There's a check form and then there's a something else I had to learn about yesterday. And I'm just like, I hope I never get to see WIC again. But I'm probably going to because it's always women with pregnancies and stuff. So, I didn't really enjoy it. I hated it. But that's to be expected, I guess. So I'm just moving around, taking things up and moving and putting them down again, and going to, Mom wanted me to clean this room, and I'm just like, hey, it's clean. Got it to be clean. Yay. So today is going to be 9:30 to 5:30. Yep, 9:30 to 5:30. And I'll get an hour break. Ugh. So that'll be nice. I won't lose my mind. So yeah, I don't really have a lot to say about Publix much. There's really nothing to say about it. It's really good. I like it. That was a big burp. That was a big burp. Where are you? There you are. Oh, there you are. Hey. You're so spoiled. You be so spoiled. Yes. So spoiled indeed. So I told Mom, I was like, you should really take me on your walks before you go out there. And then she's just like, don't we always walk them on the back street? I'm like, no. I don't ever walk them on the back street. Just because of that big dog. She's like, oh. So. Anyways, guys, that was my update for y'all, and I hope y'all enjoyed. I hopefully will have a speed paint out for y'all soon. It's going to take me a while to get it going, I think, because I've never used this program before, and I need to find where the recording is and stuff. But I did record a speed art for y'all. I think I'm going to put it on my other channel where my art is going to be going. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy it. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, and I will see y'all later. Until next time, bye, guys. Hey, everyone, this is Eunalia, and I'm here with Lou finishing off a treat. Here's your baby. Yeah, they like getting treats. Alright, so I am needed to do a lot of things today. It's a brown nose patcher. It's a brown nose patcher. A brown nose patcher. A brown nose patcher. Okay, anyways, I need to grab this extension cord. That is kind of laying over here. If I can get it off this table. And I need to take it to the boat shed. So, that is what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to be taking a bunch of stuff with me. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's a pretty day. I get 3 days off. Today's my first day. I get off the days off of until Saturday. And then I have to go back on Sunday to work another shift. Hey. Aren't these flowers cute? Here, let me get out of some light. Cute flowers. Aren't they pretty? Our grass needs to be cut, and Dad knows it. And he's trying to get the air conditioning to work. That's not right. He's trying to get the lawnmower to work. Now I gotta get this thing off. So, oh God, what the heck just flew on me? You'll get to sit right here with this thing holding you up. There we go. Alright, let's see here. Alright, pick up all of this. All of this. And take it out of this. Not good. And then I'm going to take this. And go over here. Okay, cool. Think. Okay. Then I need to take this cord and go back around. Actually, I need to take it all. Just pick it all up and take it. Alright, this is what I'm going to do. Just haul it off through here like this. Okay. Then grab this cord and pull it. This is fun. Hopefully it doesn't come out with a knot. That would be bad. Shoot. It's got a knot. I was afraid this would happen. Dang it. Okay. Well, let's see. Is it the one that's knotting at all? Yes. Of course it is. Finally. Got it. Now the camera's gonna die though. Of course. I guess I'll record until it dies. This goes all the way out here. That's so cool. Hey, Coop Coop.